Our Stern Technology Center is the heart of our R&D activities. Using a unique pilot pasta plant, the flour experts from Muehlenchemie can stimulate industrial trials, incorporating the bright enzyme knowledge of their sister company, Stern Enzyme.
The global demand for durum wheat is generally greater than its availability, so prices are fairly high and often fluctuate widely. The same applies to quality. That leads pasta manufacturers to use bread wheat or even soft wheat, but the processing properties of these are quite different from durum wheat and have to be adjusted. The wheat used as an alternative to durum is less yellow and contains less protein. So the pasta made from it is lighter in color and has poorer cooking stability and less bite. Besides the protein content, the farinogram indicates the suitability of a flour for pasta production. So stability and development time are important parameters. The values help us to develop suitable improvers that reduce stickiness and enhance the bite. With our years of competence in flour and our knowledge of enzymes, we can quickly develop precisely adjusted pastazyme compounds. In these projects, we cooperate closely with our customers and invite them to accompany the tests.
The project starts with the customer sending us the flour. Some send us the analytical data as well, or we conduct the analysis ourselves. On the basis of this data, and depending on the customer's wishes, we then develop a suitable enzyme compound that we then use in the pasta production process. The tests start with our small restaurant machine. Then, when that has produced the best results, we upscale the test to our pilot plant. This brings us close to industrial production conditions. The advantage is we work completely under vacuum. Pressure and temperature can be controlled so that we can stimulate the customer's production process and achieve optimum results. In the trials, we produce the customer's own current flour mixture and compare the result with the most successful treatment from the smaller tests. The flagship of our pasta laboratory is the fully automated drying cabinet. It enables us to stimulate our customers' process parameters like humidity, air circulation, and temperature, and thus guarantee optimum quality. The drying parameters are very important for quality and resistance to breakage and color. We offer our customers greater reliability in the use of pastazyme on their industrial plant and exclude the risk of producing unsatisfactory goods. We offer logistical and financial advantages. At a batch size of 10 kilograms, 50 to 100 kilograms of the customer's flour are enough for us to carry out the tests. Once the pasta is dry, we evaluate it for sensory and physical properties. Besides the color, the cooking water is very important because it shows how much starch has been washed out. The bite of the pasta is tested sensorily and also with the texture analyzer. That can be used to determine the stickiness of the pasta at the same time. But you can determine the stickiness very well with your hands. You can feel the amount of starch, and the friction between the noodles can also be very different. Even a low dose of pastazyme is enough to enhance the pasta products efficiently. That applies especially to the bite, meaning the al dente feeling. But it is also true of the reduced stickiness and increased cooking tolerance we can achieve. The color is very important to consumers. We can adjust it precisely. When we have found the perfect solution, it's fun to try the pasta out ourselves.
Premiumbeat.com